Hi guys, this week on What's Cooking Wahida, we are making a mung beans and sesame oil pilaf, a traditional rice dish served in Afghanistan called Maash Pulao. Let's get it started. We need 3 cups soaked rice, 1 cup mung beans, 2 cups sesame oil, 1 old garlic, half tablespoon salt, 2 teaspoon browning sauce, half tablespoon pilaf seasoning. Bring to boil a large pot of water, season with salt, add the mung beans, close the lid and cook until softened. As that cooks, cut the whole garlic bunch in half and set aside for later. Add the rice to the pot and stir. Cook the rice until just before al dente and then strain. Add 2 cups of water to the pot along with the browning sauce, salt and half of the pilaf seasoning. Place on high heat, then when it's simmering, add the rice to the pot and mix thoroughly. Place a saucepan on high heat and add the sesame oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1/2 of the garlic bunch and salt and leave the garlic until golden brown. Remove the garlic and pour the oil over the rice and mix. Add the remaining pilaf seasoning, poke airway with the handle of your spatula. Place the golden garlic in the rice and place the lid wrapped in a clean kitchen towel on the top. Set to low for 5 minutes and now your rice is ready to serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked this recipe. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you have any question or comment, leave them below. If you want some more recipe like this, hit the subscribe button. I post weekly recipe videos. So come back next week to see what's cooking.